Okay, so ITC, you see this is the area. Which level is this? 320. So now people are expecting that it will go to 320 levels. Okay, now let's see. If you look at 320 levels, okay, 320 levels का जो high है, that is 280, right? If on Monday it breaks out 280, it might very well travel to 320 also. Okay, so it might continue. It might continue with the move. ठीक है? Your question is on Wipro, right? Two people are absent today. Who are those? One is Hari. Manoj. Okay. Okay. So Wipro. So Wipro 30.
Sir, ITC I did a wrong trade, right? By coming out.
Huh? ITC?
I did a wrong trade by coming out. I should have ideally trailed my stop loss.
It's okay, but take 100%. Don't worry. Okay, and if when you will, how many lots did you trade?
So only one lot, 310.
One lot, no. So see now you have just started. Okay. Now going forward another 2-3 months, you will start trading in about say 4 lots, 5 lot, 10 lots. Okay. So when you will start doing that, half of the lots cover at 100% and remaining trail stop loss. Okay.
Right.
Okay, now where were we? Okay, Wipro, where is the significant this thing? May 48.51. So 264.5 to 58 and June 48. So 48 seems to be the highest, which is 268.75 and 265. So 2 69 apply and 258 apply. Let's see. So it went down. Okay, so let's see July. So July it was here, came to this level, broke out. Actually the trade was somewhere here in Wipro. This was the first day it closed outside 710, 10th of July. Okay, roughly this level is 272, so 280. Mhm. So I'm just assuming, okay, that this was the level to trade. I'm just assuming, okay. So on this day it was 565. Okay, level got taken out. Okay, so let me consider it to be 6 rupees. So 12 rupees. So you exit here. Got it? Abir, clear?
So along with the volume breakouts, we can also check the price breakouts.
Yeah. Okay, see, what you did is you have drawn these significant areas. Now, if it is going outside this area, okay, there is something which has happened, correct? Now, the price might come, take support here and there, but eventually the price is bullish. And if on the derivative, see, on this day, see, typical things, is the price gapping up? Yes or no? Price gap up, right? It's telling you that there is bullishness. Okay. See, on this day, when the price gapped up, so somewhere over here, did the price break out on the upside? See, it broke out on the upside and it went bullish. Okay. Another thing, see, uh, this was the day when it closed outside this level, above this breakout day, right? That is what it seems to be, because this day it is down and this is the first day it closed above this level on 12th. Okay, so right, so see, 565 is the level. It closed outside 565 is to be bought. Okay, and you can trail your stop loss, do whatever you want to do. Okay, so 12 rupees is what you can get. But more or less, if you will follow this method, because this is a price breakout, as you said. Okay, so it is telling you that the price has moved out of the significant level. There could be. Now the next day can happen that it reverses back and starts coming down. If that happens, then most likely it will break this level. It will go bearish. Maybe it will break this level and might give you that 100% return on capital on the downside. Okay. Clear?
So in this case, like Wipro filled the gap as well, right? On that, on the next day.
It filled the gap.
So we should, if in an options trade, right, we should still wait to low. If low needs to be broken to get the exit, right? If low is still intact, we can still hold on the position.
If the low is
In
intact, you
options.
can hold on to the position, because see, what has happened is once the price comes here, no, the volatility of implied volatility has started to increase.
Yes.
Okay, within this zone, the implied volatility of call and puts both are low.
Yeah.
This day is the first day when the implied volatility has increased. Technically. Okay, now if the implied volatility has increased and it has to further increase, okay, it will not let the low to be compromised. Because for breaking a low, the volatility will have to increase on the opposite side, which can happen here. So for that, it will first have to come inside. Okay. So as long as on the price charts you see that the price is still maintained here, that will also tell you that okay, there is no much of problem. Okay. So this is what you call is price breakout. Now
Maruti had a volume breakout yesterday, and it's bearish. So if you can check once Maruti. And since auto is to be in focus this week. So.
Okay, so this is Maruti, and you're saying 26th there was a breakout, right? There is supply, because see the volume is reducing and still the price is falling, right? See, the volume has reduced and the price is still trying to go down, so it is definitely bearish. Short term, let's see. So 8 lakhs, 872. So 872. So this thing is 8524.8 and 8255, and then the month of June, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs seems to be the highest, so it is 8848 and 8590. Okay. So 8255. 255 and 88.48. Okay. All right. Now, in case of Maruti, it is still in a bull zone. Okay. Now, this is in a bull zone right now. Let me look at the report. Most likely, this will be the highest volume. Okay. Now, when this will be the highest volume, the high lows would be 9831.7 and 9361 whatever 0. Okay. And for the month of June, it was this figure which is 88 whatever. Okay. So in this case, the highs and lows will shift. Okay. And most likely the highs and lows will be as follows. So this high will become 98.32 maybe. And this low will become 93.61. Oh, sorry, not 93. 85.90 will be the level. 85.90. Okay. The moment we will get into Wednesday, this is what will be applicable. What do you see? Is it sideways or what? But after 1st of August, okay? Abir?
Yes, sir.
Seems,
Sideways.
it seems to be sideways, right? So not to be traded. Not to be traded right now. Either the price will break out and go back, or the price will fall through this level. Okay, you
Right.
will have to wait for that. Or what will happen is, within sideways, what will happen is that most likely June's highest volume is going to be this one. Okay, what will happen is that there would be a volume breakout, which will be higher than 12 lakhs. The price might be still within this zone, still within this upper and the lower band, still in between this and this. Okay, so say for example, in that case, I'm just making an assumption that the price comes here. The high low of that day is here. Then you will wait and see, is the price closing here? If the price is closing here on the next day and the volatility is increasing on the downside, which means that the put price is increasing, okay, you will trade this level, which is roughly 8600. Is it clear? The moment the price will hit 8600, whatever is the call price, you will just put price, you will just exit. Guys, can you hear me? Okay. Okay. So whatever is the price, you will just exit. Now it might also happen that ठीक यहीं से it might start going up and it closes outside this and it continues with the bull run. That can also happen. Okay. So I would say in Maruti there is no trade. ठीक है, Abir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another thing is that, let's see, this is 12 lakhs, right? This is 12 lakhs and this is 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, the volatility has increased on the downside. Do you see it has closed below this level? Okay. So whatever I was saying, because it slipped off my mind, whatever I was saying, that might also happen in Maruti. Okay, because it has closed bearish and the volume is more than 10 lakhs, 10, 11 lakhs. So it's a breakout over here. So it might straight away go to this level of whatever was the previous one, which is 82.55. So there could be a sell off on Monday and Tuesday. 82.55. There might be a sell off. So let's see. Okay. But eventually it is too close right now. So let's see. Because if you look at the zone, the price is still above 50% of its retracement. Okay. So you never know if it just reverses back because you are trying to trade the zones.
Only thing, sir, it had good Y build up in the put side yesterday. So
Uh,
was thinking
yeah, definitely
bearish.
people are short. So no this thing. But it seems from the structure, no, it seems that it is it is still trading at more than 50% of its actual range. That is why I'm saying. Okay. So don't trade it in options. You can trade in cash market. Okay. Option trades are most lucrative outside the ranges. All right. Any other question?
I had a question here. Like, I was bullish on Nifty today because it had a breakout as per the compression data we prepared.
Hmm.
So I was like buying a call in Nifty. So I thought of buying a call in Maruti to hedge. Is that a right approach?
No, you trade Maruti and hedge by market. You
Okay.
don't do the other way around.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so but say for example, if you are buying uh, say puts in Maruti, then you can hedge by buying calls in Nifty,
For me, Nifty was bullish and Maruti was bearish, as per my understanding. So I
which
did
is
that.
okay. But the stock that you are trading, the hedging will be in index. It is the other way around. So your primary trade would be stock, and the hedging would be index.
Right, sir. Got it. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, because index is average value, weighted average, no? Okay. So any other question, guys? All right. So please continue with this. Do you find it interesting?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, इसमें
Sir,
बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेयरिंग
entries in
वगैरह नहीं
future,
करना पड़ता है.
entry in futures will be different, right? It
हाँ
won't
हाँ
be.
एंट्री इन फ्यूचर्स मैं अभी आपको पढ़ाऊंगा, वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. उसमें दो चीज को हमें करना होगा, वॉल्यूम एंड डिलीवरी,
Okay, okay, sir.
क्योंकि वो रिस्की है ना इंट्राडे
Okay,
में.
chart सिर्फ right. Chart कैश के देखेंगे मतलब, या उसमें भी
Cash.
the trending no future chart, right? For trending zones and other
फ्यूचर चार्ट कुछ होता ही नहीं है, मतलब फ्यूचर का चार्ट
Okay.
चार्ट के लिए होता है बस. मतलब
things. Okay, ठीक है.
फ्यूचर के चार्ट को देख के आप कभी डिसीजन नहीं बना सकते.
Okay, sir.
देखना कैश मार्केट का ही चार्ट है जो, देखो इट इज लाइक कि जो फ्यूचर्स होता है ना, मतलब जैसे आम है, इस समय मार्केट में आम चल रहे हैं ना, ठीक है, तो एक है कि आप आम को खरीद रहे हो, तो वो है कैश मार्केट. और दूसरा है कि आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खरीद रहे हो, कि मान लो आपने एक आम खरीद लिया है या एक पेटी आम का खरीद लिया है, मान लो, ठीक है, तो वो जो
Right.
मान लो होता है वो होता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है, तो रियल आम खरीदना जो होता है वो होता है कैश मार्केट. तो हम हमेशा प्राइस मूवमेंट ट्रैक करेंगे कैश मार्केट का, और उससे हम फ्यूचर्स को ट्रेड करेंगे.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है ना, क्योंकि अगर कैश मार्केट का प्राइस गिर रहा है तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता ना फ्यूचर्स का चढ़ जाएगा.
राइट.
ठीक है, तो वहां पे डिस्काउंट आने लगेंगे. तो वो सब चीज अभी हम सीखेंगे, वो अगले महीने करेंगे. पहले इसको थोड़ा
ठीक है.
अच्छे से वो
Yeah.
कर लेंगे हम, और एक बार ये पूरा साइकिल निकल जाएगा ना हमारे हाथ से, फिर क्या है कि एटलीस्ट आपको इतना रहेगा कि मान लो अगर 50,000 या 20,000 का कैपिटल है, तो हाना करके महीने का 40-50 हजार रुपए तो आ रहा है ना यहाँ से, है ना. मतलब अगर एक लॉट में
Yes.
कर रहे हो, मान लो, ठीक है, एक लॉट में काम कर रहे हो और ऑप्शंस में कर रहे हो, तो कोई भी ऑप्शन का ट्रेड एक लॉट का जो है वो 10,000 रुपए से 20,000 रुपए के बीच का ही होता है, या उससे भी कम का होता है ना. तो आप, हो सकता है कि अगर आप मान के चल रहे हो कि अभी 20,000 से ही काम करना है, तो 20,000 भी करके आप हाना करके आपको महीने का बुरे से बुरे हालात में भी 40,000 रुपए तो एक इनकम दे ही जाएगा ना. फिर धीरे धीरे करके बिजनेस को बढ़ाओगे तो यही 40,000 जो है वो 4 लाख रुपया हो जाएगा. इतना तो सैलरी भी नहीं मिलता है. मतलब मैंने जब आखिरी बार छोड़ा था तो मेरा तनख्वाह उस समय शायद 3 लाख का कुछ था, शायद 3-3.5 लाख रुपया था. ठीक है, आज मेरे को लगता है कि अच्छा हुआ छोड़ दिया उस समय क्योंकि 3 लाख का कितना हो जाता, 4-4.5 लाख हो जाता, इससे ज्यादा क्या हो जाता, है ना. तो थोड़ा समय लगता है पर धीरे धीरे करके हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी.
Yes. Thank you.
All right, friends. So, any other question? All right, friends. So, फिर मंडे को मुलाकात होती है और बाकी सेक्टर्स पे भी काम कीजिए. और काजिम,
यस सर.
हाँ चलेगा नहीं, ये इंट्राडे ठीक नहीं है,
हाँ सर.
मेहनत करना है. ठीक है, तो
Yes,
जो
sir. No, where I'm going wrong, sir.
हाँ वो फोकस करना है थोड़ा. ठीक है, और इस क्लास में आना, और
Yes, yes.
ठीक है, जो ईमेल आएगा.
हाँ सर.
सर मुझे भी ऐड कर लीजिएगा, राहुल को.
नहीं, तुम्हें जरूरत नहीं है. आई डोंट वांट टू कंफ्यूज एवरीबॉडी.
ओके सर, थोड़े एंजाइटी होता है, ट्रेड मिल रहा है, एटलीस्ट बिकॉज़ आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद 4.
कोई बात नहीं
आई
ना,
एम एबल टू फाइंड इट.
अरे ट्रेड मिलेगा, डोंट वरी. ट्रेड कहाँ चला गया अभी? आज अगर ट्रेड नहीं होता तो 1 घंटा लग जाता हमें 3-4 स्टॉक्स को बात करते में, है ना. ट्रेड्स है, डोंट वरी कि ट्रेड्स नहीं है. महीने में हाना करके भी जो अभी हम सीख रहे हैं ना, इसमें हाना करके भी 10 ट्रेड्स हैं महीने का मिनिमम. और 10 ट्रेड्स का मतलब आप समझ सकते हो कितना परसेंट रिटर्न।
ओके
ठीक है, तो डोंट कंफ्यूज योरसेल्फ, इसीलिए मैं मना कर रहा हूँ आपको।
ठीक है,
डोंट हैव
ठीक
टू
है,
कम, डोंट कम।
ओके, थैंक यू। ओके
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी,
Sir, any assignments or anything for me, sir?
हाँ देना तो पड़ेगा, उसी में दूंगा, मैं क्लास में ही दूंगा।
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
ठीक, चलो फिर मंडे को मुलाकात होती है। ओके, बाय बाय।
Sir, one small request.
हाँ हाँ,
Sir,
बोलो बोलो।
sir, I had sent you an approach document for the delivery volume breakout. If you can just validate, because I have a couple of points where I am a bit confused.
Approach document, have you emailed?
Yeah, long back, sir. Yes.
Okay, I would have not seen it. Okay, I will download it and
As per my understanding, so if you can validate, that will help you.
okay, is it a very big document or something?
Very small document, sir.
Okay, fine.
7, 8 points.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
I'll go
Thank
through
you.
it.
Yeah.
Done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye. Bye. Same to you, Dhanu. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Good night.